In the vast deep blue of the Pacific Ocean, a sound has been echoing for decades, a solitary call into the abyss. This is the story of the 52 Hertz whale, often called the loneliest creature on Earth. His song is a unique one, a series of deep, mournful calls pitched at a frequency of 52 Hertz. To put that into perspective, it's a sound just a little deeper than the lowest note on a tuba. The problem is, no other whale in the world sings at this frequency. Fin whales, the closest relatives in terms of call pattern, communicate in a much lower range, between 15 and 20 Hertz. Blue whales, the largest animals on the planet, also vocalize in this lower range. So when the 52 Hertz whale calls out, it's believed no one of his kind can truly understand or respond. He speaks a language of one. This mysterious whale was first discovered in 1989 by the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution. They were using a network of hydrophones, underwater microphones originally designed by the US Navy to detect enemy submarines during the Cold War. Instead of a submarine, they picked up a strange and recurring sound. It was clearly a whale's call, but the frequency was unlike anything they had ever recorded before. Year after year, the sound was detected again. A team led by Dr. William Watkins began to track the source, plotting its movements across the vast expanse of the Pacific. They followed this lonely voice from the Aleutian Islands down to the coast of California. The whale's migration patterns were also unusual. They didn't quite match the established routes of other known whale species. He was a wanderer, a solitary traveler charting his own course through the immense ocean. For over a decade, Dr. Watkins and his team followed the whale's song. Compiling data and publishing their findings in 2004, they noted that the whale's voice had deepened slightly over the years, a sign of maturation, suggesting it was a single, living creature growing older. The story of the 52 Hertz whale captures a profound sense of isolation. Imagine calling out your whole life, sharing your thoughts, your feelings, your very existence, but never getting a reply. It's a powerful narrative that resonates deeply with the human experience of loneliness. In a world more connected than ever, the feeling of being unheard is a familiar one for many. This whale became an icon for people who felt isolated or different. The mystery surrounding him is captivating. What kind of whale is he? Scientists have speculated he might be a hybrid, the offspring of two different species, which could explain his unique vocal frequency. Another theory is that he could be the last of a forgotten species of whale, his song the final echo of a lineage now gone. Or perhaps he has a malformation that affects his vocal cords, forcing him to sing at a different pitch. We simply don't have the answers. No one has ever actually seen the 52 Hertz whale. All we have is his voice, a ghost in the machine of the ocean's acoustic landscape. His existence is confirmed only by the sound he makes. This lack of visual confirmation only adds to his mystique. He is a legend, a story told through sound waves traveling hundreds, sometimes thousands of miles through the water. His calls are not random. They are structured and deliberate, like the songs of other whales. These songs are used for communication, for navigation, and for finding mates. The fact that he sings so consistently suggests he is trying to connect. He is reaching out, hoping for a response that has, as far as we know, never come. The thought is almost heartbreaking. A life spent in a crowd of one, surrounded by the silence of misunderstanding. Yet there is another way to look at his story. Perhaps he is not lonely at all. Perhaps he simply enjoys his solitude, a master of his own destiny, singing his own song for the sheer joy of it. Some scientists have pointed out that other whales might be able to hear him, even if they can't respond in the same frequency. The ocean is a noisy place, but his call is distinct. It's possible they are aware of his presence, even if they perceive him as different. Could he be a pioneer? A trailblazer with a new song? While we project our human emotions of loneliness onto him, his reality might be entirely different. We interpret his solitude as a tragedy, but for him, it might just be life. The story of the 52 Hertz whale raises fascinating questions about communication and connection. It reminds us that the world is full of mysteries that we have yet to unravel. It also highlights the incredible complexity of marine life and the unseen world that exists beneath the waves. The ocean is not silent. It is a symphony of sounds, from the clicks of dolphins to the deep rumbles of blue whales. And within that symphony is one unique note, a single voice that has captured the imagination of people around the globe. His story has inspired music, art, and even films, all trying to give a face to the lonely voice. He has become a symbol of resilience, a creature who continues to sing his song despite the apparent silence on the other end. He keeps calling, he keeps migrating, he keeps living his life in the vast, unforgiving ocean. The search for the 52 Hertz whale continues, with both scientists and amateur enthusiasts hoping to one day catch a glimpse of this enigmatic creature. To finally know what he looks like would solve one part of the puzzle. But even if we never see him, his story will endure. It's a poignant tale that speaks to a fundamental need for connection, a need that transcends species. His song is a reminder of the immense and mysterious world we share, and the many voices within it, each telling its own unique story. Whether he is the loneliest creature on Earth or a contented soloist, his song has reached us. And in a way, through our listening and our fascination, he is not entirely alone after all. We are listening. For more incredible stories from our amazing world, make sure to subscribe to Facts Repo.